This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeannie Stokes. Fabulous location. Open and spacious one-floor living. Vaulted ceiling, great room and open floor plan opens onto extra large 28 by 14 covered paver patio with mounted TV overlooking the sparkling saltwater pool with solar and fenced backyard. Perfect for entertaining. Kitchen is equipped with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, gas range, an abundance of cabinets and large pantry. Split bedroom plan for extra privacy. Spacious primary bedroom with updated ensuite bathroom with walk-in zero-entry shower, oversized walk-in closet and additional linen for plenty of storage. Secondary bedrooms are spacious with one boasting custom built-ins for lots of extra storage. There is ceramic tile and LVP flooring throughout. A light and bright hobby room is perfect for hobbies, crafts or extra storage. The home is energy efficient with gas water heater and heat. Top-rated school district and close proximity to hospitals, major shopping and dining, including downtown Clermont and Winter Garden. Just minutes to the Turnpike, giving easy access to 429, 408, downtown Orlando, the attractions. For more information, review the details below.